We, the Australian Freedom Party, are here to change Australia and make it a better place. By introducing a better budget and new policies, we will ensure Australia has a brighter future. Some of our new policies include the public transport bus expansion, free university, and the lowering of taxes. We plan to have more buses to lower the amount of vehicles on the road, meaning less pollution. The Free University scheme will ensure our younger Australians can achieve what they desire, and they will be the foundation of the new Australia. We are also going to build more hospitals so we can cope with overcrowding of them. The budget has been changed to better suit Australian lifestyle and will continue to help Australians. And remember, vote one for the Australian Freedom Party. We are here to make Australia